Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is a short video of something I started doing on our travels, vacation, around town, whatever it might be. I will collect wood scraps, branches, whatever, and bring them home, label them where I found them, and make souvenirs of where we've been. It is to me, a little bit more rewarding, and my wife loves them. I enjoy making them. When I bring them home, you can make whatever you want. What I usually do is I will make candlesticks on the lathe, and this is just some of the ones I've made. It is a fun little thing to do. When I get done with them, I will make little labels, label them where we've been, year, and then just put them on display. And it's just a lot better than getting something from a import gift shop. But anyway, I thought y'all might like to see that idea. You can make whatever you want. I just have to make candlesticks. And that's it for this video. And if you have any questions or comments, let me know. Hit the like and subscribe button, and have a good day. Bye.